Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back with the fifth puzzle in today's newspaper in the additional of Thursday, September the 24th, 2020. Yes, this binary puzzle number 5th. And this will be number 1609. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double 1, here and O, there and O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here and O, there and O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here and O, there and O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Then yeah. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. We have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here and O, there and O. We have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Then we need to compare, I think. Yes. Need to compare. This row and that row. Oh, that row. 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. Empty box 0 0. So we need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double 1 here and O there and O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Finish in 3 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one, very quick to solve. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you with the next Sudoku. It will be a tectonic 1 star. So see you later. Bye bye for now.